Well, the number of coronavirus cases in our state keeps rising. The number of people hospitalized with the virus has now dropped. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. Now, the surge in cases here is being blamed on young people going out to bars and partying. And tonight, there are growing calls for Governor Hogan to roll back reopening.
And this comes in the midst of a heated debate about what schools should do in the fall.
A hot topic for sure. We are live tonight with team coverage for you. We want to begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren, live in Canton, which is one of the hardest hit neighborhoods in the city. Mike.
Nicole and Rick, this zip code 21224 has the most coronavirus cases in the city and is one of the leading zip codes in the state when it comes to new cases. Now, a number of bars and restaurants here have closed and some of them have reopened as employees have tested positive. The biggest increase in Maryland's new coronavirus cases is among younger adults between ages 20 and 39. And Marylanders under age 35 have a positivity rate almost double those older than 35.
We're also seeing that there's an increase in the number of cases amongst Hispanics. And there's some overlap there as well. So some of it has to do with leisure activities, bars, restaurants, outdoor, but some of it also has to do with work.
If you look at the age range of the individuals who are getting infected now, as opposed to early on a few months ago, it's about a decade to a decade and a half younger.
Governor Hogan has, in part, linked rising cases to people not wearing masks and social distancing in bars and restaurants. But for now, he has resisted calls to close them.
If this gets out of control, if people continue to not follow the rules, we'll have to take another look.
In neighboring Pennsylvania, the governor restricted restaurants to 25% capacity and shut down indoor bar service without meals.
Unfortunately, this virus does not respect state boundaries.
Several bars in Canton have had to close after employees tested positive. And in Ocean City, at least 9 restaurants and bars have closed, including the mainstay Phillips Crab House. According to a Facebook post, the restaurant is being sanitized.
As we see reopening and more activity in bars and restaurants and a decrease in social distancing, we're worried that this is a real opportunity for us to see an increase in overall caseloads in the state.
And Governor Hogan has urged young adults to avoid crowded bars and house parties and other large gatherings. Reporting live in Canton, Mike Helgren, WJZ.